guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Dee with Dee Loves Beauty. Today's video is going to be trying to tackle this makeup vanity of mine. So this is what it looks like right now. It is a complete mess. I mean, it's so easy for me to just put stuff down on this table as I'm walking by or after I finish my makeup. I'm on the go. I use this makeup vanity every morning when I'm getting ready for work. And if you're anything like me and mornings are not your favorite time of the day, things can get a bit last minute and I'm just running out of the door, and honestly I just don't pick up after myself. So I'm using these wet wipes. They are just a brand that I picked up from my local H-E-B. And the first thing that I'm doing here in the decluttering organization of this makeup vanity is I'm just taking all of my dirty brushes and I'm putting them in this brush holder that I've been keeping on my vanity. This is typically what I've been using, but as you'll see as the video goes along, I did end up purchasing something else to keep my clean brushes in, and you'll see that. But again, just keep on watching. Right now I'm just cleaning up everything and putting it off to the side so that I can get everything off of this vanity table. And I also have a bag beside me to put all the trash in. So I have kind of a pile that I have of trash, and then I also have a pile of things that I know need to go back into my vanity. So that is what you're looking at right now. Okay, so now I just opened up the actual vanity, the table. If you've watched my vanity video, it's actually my most watched video here on my channel, and I go into detail about where I purchased everything from. I put in the comment section where these containers are from. They are from IKEA. I don't currently remember the name, but again, if you go watch that video, I'll link it in the description box, and then you can check out for yourself if you want to get this makeup vanity that I have. Is perfect for the space that I have. It's actually in between the door to my room and the bathroom, so it was the perfect size for the space that I have. It's very minimalistic. It doesn't take up a lot of space, but it does get the job done, and it allows me to have these pieces that I need to have whenever I sit down to do my makeup. And just like I said in that previous video, all of my makeup is not in this area. I do have another makeup storage space that's in my closet, but that is for items that I don't wear very often, or things that I don't need normally when I'm doing my makeup. So I'm just going in with these vitamin C makeup remover wipes that I picked up from, I believe it was Marshall's, and I'm just cleaning out the inside of these trays with that makeup wipe. I used the wet wipe, and then I went back behind it and used the actual makeup wipe. And what you can see here is I was trying to clean it out with a makeup wipe or the wet wipe, and I just noticed that it was not coming clean enough for me. And this is, a deep clean, and this isn't something that I would do frequently, but I did want to go ahead and start to clean out. So what I decided to do is I decided to take everything out of these trays and put it on top of the vanity, since I wanted to go ahead and clean out this tray. So this definitely looks like a lot of makeup, and granted, I do not reach for this makeup every day. I only use this makeup honestly probably a few times a month when I do a full face. Normally for work, the only thing that I use is my MAC Studio Fix face powder, and then blush, and then I do my brows and mascara and a little bit of eyeshadow, and that's it. So the majority of this stuff I don't use, and then I do use a lipstick. So anyway, so now what I'm doing here is I'm taking this tray and I'm going to go ahead and take it to my sink in the kitchen, and I cleaned it out with just regular dish detergent. And now I'm just going to go ahead and put everything back in my tray. So in this first tray, I have all of my face powders. This was actually probably the dirtiest section in here, because when you turn the powders to the side, there's still powder on there, and it just gets messy. But it's easy for me to grab, so I'm just going to continue to do it like this. So again, that's face powders, it's bronzers, it's regular setting powders, all things like that. And now I'm just going through my eyeliners and lip liners and putting them back in the tray as well. This was another dirty section of the tray just because the tops always fall off of the lip liners and they never stay on, and then they end up scratching the bottom, but it's okay. The next section has my concealers, so that's what's going in that section. And the next section has all of my lipsticks. Now, well, I wouldn't even say all of my lipsticks, but a big majority of my lipsticks that I use most frequently. And even though it's a lot, I didn't have very many lipsticks in here the very first time that I did this this tour of my makeup vanity, but I was finding that I was not using some of the lipsticks and I was forgetting that I had them. So I basically just pulled as many as I could to fit in the tray so that I could remember that I had them when it was time to use them. And now I'm going in with bronzer and blush, so that's what's going to go into this back section. Makeup vanity, I am sort of putting some products to the side that I know I haven't been using so that I can put it in my closet makeup storage. And then to the left where you saw I put the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, that was just some random things that didn't fit and more blushes. And this section I'm putting more random objects that didn't fit in the other spaces, like a Fenty Beauty lip stain as well as the Born This Way concealer. And then I noticed that I had a lot of glitter type things, and I put those to the side as well because I don't use those very frequently. And then this smaller section up to the front is where I have like eyelash glue, eyelash tools, as well as mascara. Lastly, I have my two face primers that I've been using, and I just put those back there in the random section as well. And so that is the completion of the inside of my makeup vanity. Again, I think this is an easy way to organize everything. Again, it's my most frequent things when I'm just doing a normal, face routine, so it's perfect. Now the next thing I'm doing is I'm taking that wet wipe and I'm just going ahead and cleaning off the top of this vanity table. As you can see, it is coming clean, but it didn't come completely clean, so I'm going to end up using this scrub-free bathroom cleaner. I just literally pulled it out of my bathroom because it was the closest thing to me. I'm sure I could use any product and it would still come clean. I know in my previous vanity video someone mentioned that I can get a clear like a clear dining table or placemat of some sort, but I really didn't think I needed it because it does come clean fairly easy. And now I just put the rest of the stuff back on my vanity table. I'm going ahead and taking some glass and mirror cleaner and cleaning my mirror as well as the camera. I picked up the camera at Ross, and I know they still have them at Ross. I actually saw a gold one just yesterday, so go check it out if you're interested in that. And then I'm putting my makeup brushes here in this container. I just picked this up from TJ Maxx, and originally when I did my makeup vanity tour, I had them in two clear containers on my dresser, and those little clear things that I had in that container just ended up getting everywhere once I would pull the makeup brush out. So I decided not to go with that this time, and I just decided to go with this container. It allows me to store more makeup brushes, and I like it. So this is the final product, guys. I needed some more things on top of my dresser. You can see that I put, you know, moisturizers as well as foundations. That empty cup there is just going to be for dirty makeup brushes. But all in all, I'm happy with the way my makeup vanity looks. It actually has more stuff on it than before, but honestly, it's things that I need when I am doing my face, and I do. So I hope you guys like this. Please drop me a comment in the comment box and let me know how you like this video. If you would like any more organization type videos, let me know. If you want any more details about this makeup vanity, again, make sure you check out that previous video of mine. I go into more detail about where all of these items are purchased from. But again, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks, and have a happy holiday.